Hey, I'm doing an annual today on a chiller. This is a carrier chiller. First things first, I'm going to check to see if there's any burnt wires or check the contactors. First things first is we're going to check to see if there's any power. I shut down already the disconnect, but we always got to make sure safety first. That we don't want to get sapped. Okay, so we have no power. Alright, we got no power. First thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check that. I'm gonna put them apart. Check the little plates inside. Also, we're gonna come over here. I'm going to take these off and make sure that there's no oil in the terminals. It's very important. I believe that this compressor went bad with one of the seals that went out on the bottom here. We cleaned it up. I mean, it had a lot of oil coming out of there, and I was losing refrigerant. So this bad boy, we're going to have to pull it apart, take it off, and ship it off, so they could change all the seals inside. Pretty much, let me pause you guys as I take those contactors apart to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so we're back here. Let me get some light in here. Alright, so I pulled it apart. Check very good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it up with some contactor cleaner. Make sure all that is clean. You see how there's some right there between the contactors. Contacts, there's a little bit of right there. Clean that up. Nice and clean. When you put these apart, you gotta be careful because these things come out. See these things? Like, it's not a big deal. You can put them back. They go just like that. Take them off. So usually when you take off the cover, they all come down, so people get scared and stuff like that. But it's not a big deal. Just good. Once you're done, put them all back. Simple. They all have to be facing like that. So the ones on this side will go like that, just like that. Hope that can help you guys out. So pretty much that's it. Also, let me show you. Here we gotta get these things. Sometimes leak oil through the terminals. I had a problem with one of those already that we had to ship off so they could change the seals. But that's about it. So, and then I'm gonna make another video. So I'm not gonna do that today. We gotta get that drum open. We gotta drain all the water out of here, insulate the water from the pumps and stuff like that. Drain all the water from here. Take off all these screws. Pull this out, and then we're gonna have a bunch of little pipes like that, and then we use this machine that has that brush. We go and clean it in and out, each pipe in there. Now, there's about between 170 pipes in there. So yeah, it's a tedious job, and it has to get done anyway. So, but pretty much that's it. Hope this video helps out people, and Until next time, I'll be putting in more videos in my YouTube account. So if you want to subscribe and stuff like that, every time there's a video that comes out, you guys can get notified. Thank you guys. Bye.